Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the structure of a flower and explain the function of the different parts of a flower in sexual reproduction. Flowers are the reproductive organs of flowering plants. They are involved in the sexual reproduction, and therefore, the structures of a flower include male parts and female parts. These structures can allow pollination and fertilization to take place. A typical flower has four main parts: sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. Starting with the sepals. Sepals are the outermost parts of a flower which are found at the base. They are usually green. Their main function is to protect the flower bud before it opens, and to support the petals once the flower blooms. Next are the petals. The main function of petals is to attract pollinators like insects. They are often brightly colored and may be scented. Many petals also contain nectar, which acts as a food reward for insects after pollination. The male reproductive part of the flower is called the stamen. Each stamen is made up of two parts, the anther and the filament. The anther produces pollen grains which contain the male gametes. The filament holds the anther in position where pollen can be easily transferred to a pollinator or carried by wind. The female reproductive part of the flower is called the carpel, also known as the pistil. The carpel has three main parts: the stigma, style, and ovary. The ovary contains ovules, which hold the female gametes. The stigma is located at the top and is often sticky, which helps it catch pollen during pollination. The style is a tube that connects the stigma to the ovary and allows the pollen tube to grow downwards. The ovary protects the ovules inside, and it is where fertilization occurs. After pollination, a pollen grain with the male gametes lands on the stigma and grows a pollen tube down the style into the ovary. The male gamete travels down this pollen tube and fuses with the female gamete inside the ovule. This process is called fertilization. After fertilization, the ovum develops into a seed, containing an embryo and a food store. The ovary develops into a fluid, which helps protect the seed and aids in seed dispersal. In conclusion, the structure of a flower is well adapted for sexual reproduction. Each part has a specific role in pollination, fertilization, and seed formation, allowing flowering plants to reproduce successfully. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.